In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious strawberry and cheese appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need cheese triangles, strawberries, mint, and toothpicks. Start by laying out the cheese triangles. Place a piece of mint onto each of the cheese triangles. We're going to cut the tops off of each of the strawberries, and we're going to place one strawberry on each of the mints. Use a toothpick to secure everything together. Our strawberry cheese appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.